After a strong closing yesterday, is Nifty going to do a neutral or a bullish start? So let's look at market levels. Welcome to Trading Footprints, and this is pre-market pulse. Let's begin with global data. In the pre-market session, Gift Nifty is up 96 points, which means market is showing some strength and we can expect a gap up opening with a slight upward trend. Looking at the Gift Nifty chart level, we are in a very good shape. We are above the resistance level and we are making higher highs every time. So it's a pretty good standing for us, and it displays that we have strength in the market, and we have also crossed the 20-day moving average above the 50-day moving average. So this is also a good indication for us. Looking at FIIs and DIIs action, yesterday FIIs end up selling from their side, DIIs were the buyer. But overall, FIIs buying and selling is happening in a pattern where they sell one day and they buy one day. So based on the pattern today, they should be on the buyer side. So we can keep this as a slightly positive sentiment for us. Currency yesterday was strong. Today we have slight weakness, so we'll keep this as neutral. India VIX was flat yesterday, and today also we should not see a major high spikes in that. So we'll keep this as neutral overall for us. US market were neutral today, and why I am saying neutral, because Dow Jones it ended up closing higher. Nasdaq and S&P were on the lower side after a slight profit booking. Oil and gold are trading lower, which is a good indication for us. So overall global sentiment is a bit neutral. Commodity, we are seeing some positive sentiment, but if in this cash action I add the futures data also for US market, so we are seeing strength in US futures market data. So if I include that as well, we will have slightly positive sentiment overall from global side as well. And if I look at the sector performance today, after the Fed rate cut update where they end up cutting 0.25 basis point, we had a strength in financial section and consumer staple section. There was some profit booking in technology and industrial side. That's why Nasdaq and S&P end up slightly closing lower. But overall, the market has strength and there was no major movements. Talking about Indian market levels, Nifty's current price is 25,330. Immediate resistance is gonna be 25,490. Support is going to be 25,260, and second support is present at 25,160. Looking at the chart level for Nifty as well, as I mentioned yesterday also, we have broken that major resistance level. Now we end up closing above that 25,260 level approx. So we have a bullish momentum. We had even like we closed that resistance very easily. So it's a good indication for us, and we can expect more strength in the market. Look for stock specific action, and there could be some negative news. Because of that, we can go slightly on the consolidation phase, but overall we should have strength in the market. So make sure you follow your stop losses, you book your profit, and you follow Trading Footprints. I'll catch you later.